you there? Are you okay? Where are you?
I'm okay. I'm on foot. Jesus.
What?
Everywhere. There's so many of us.
Where? We're coming to get you.
No. Take Meg to Dad. Barricade the windows like practiced. Helen, I'll get to you.
You went too far out.